Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set up your Google Assistant in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press this and click on get started. It will take just a second and turn on and click on next, and you have to agree all this what is saying, and you have to recognize your voice. Just click on next. You can see, just long press your Google Assistant like this and click on app information. You can see it is now started, and you have to say what's on my calendar. Hey Google, what's on my calendar. Hey Google, open YouTube. Friends, you can see it is working successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.